Hey everyone, Ton here from Ton Does Linux and More. Today is a huge day for the Linux world. Ubuntu 25.04. Plucky Puffin just dropped, and so did all the official spins. Whether you're a GNOME fan, a KDE Plasma devotee, or you love something a bit more niche, there's something for everyone in this release. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's break down what's new, what's hot, and which flavor might just be your next daily driver. Ubuntu, let's kick things off with the main event. GNOME 48. The latest version offers smoother performance with triple buffering, HDR support, and a new well-being panel designed to help you manage screen time and protect your eyes. Papers PDF Reader. They are replacing Events with Papers. This modern and fast alternative supports digital signatures, bookmarks, and comic book archives. Installer Upgrades. The installer is now smarter and more user-friendly, especially for dual boot setups. BitLocker support has greatly improved, and advanced partitioning is easier than ever. Linux kernel 6.14. This version includes enhanced hardware support, improved gaming experiences with NT-Sync for Wine Proton, and new scheduling features for smoother multitasking. Developer tools. They now offer dev packs for various programming languages, including Go, Spring, Python, Rust, .NET, and more. Toolchains and confidential computing support for AMD Sevi SNP have also been updated. Networking and security. Users can take advantage of secure time synchronization with NTS, improved Active Directory integration, and cloud authentication capabilities for Entra ID and Google. ARM64 Desktop ISO. Optimized for next-generation hardware. ISO maintenance. This version will be supported for 9 months until January 2026. Let's take a quick look at the highlights of each official Ubuntu flavor released alongside the main edition. Trust me, there's a lot to love. Kubuntu. KDE Plasma 6.3. The latest version of KDE Plasma offers a modern and highly customizable environment, complete with improved performance and visual enhancements. KDE Gear 24.12.3. All your favorite KDE applications, such as Dolphin, Console, and GwenView, have been updated for better stability and added features. Linux kernel 6.14. This update includes the latest hardware support, security enhancements, and performance improvements. Updated core applications. Essential applications like Firefox and LibreOffice have been refreshed to enhance your daily workflow. Easy access to applications. Kubuntu supports the full Ubuntu archive and the Snap Store for a wide range of software options. Best for those who appreciate visually appealing interfaces, productivity enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a Windows-like workflow with extensive customization options. Xubuntu XFCE 420 Desktop now includes experimental Wayland support, fully customizable panel borders, multiple power profiles, and significant improvements to the Thunar file manager. Thunar enhancements. New toolbar buttons have been added along with support for client-side decorations, symbolic icons, and smarter drag and drop functionality. Performance improvements. Optimized for AMD, Intel, and RISC-V processors, featuring better storage handling and support for Snapdragon devices. Fast Fetch Output. Provides quick system information at your fingertips. Linux kernel 6.14. Offers the latest hardware support and performance enhancements. Best for ideal for minimalists and users with older machines who prefer a fast, straightforward desktop experience. Ubuntu Budgie. Budgie Desktop, latest version. Enjoy a polished user interface, updated applets, and enhanced functionality of the Raven sidebar. Improved integration. Experience a smoother interaction with the latest version of Ubuntu's base. Performance enhancements and bug fixes. The focus is on creating a beautiful, modern, and responsive desktop environment, ideal for users who appreciate style, simplicity, and a distinctive desktop experience. Ubuntu MATE. MATE Desktop, latest version. Offers a classic GNOME 2 experience with modern enhancements, providing improved stability and better compatibility with new hardware. Updated themes and tools. Features refreshed MATE tools and a more seamless integration with Ubuntu. Ideal for users who appreciate traditional desktop environments and prioritize stability. And Ubuntu Studio, creative powerhouse, includes the latest tools for audio, video, and graphics production. Kernel tweaks, features a low latency kernel for real-time audio and video tasks. Improved jack pulse audio integration, enhances multimedia workflows for smoother performance, ideal for creators, musicians, and artists seeking a ready-to-use multimedia studio. Ubuntu Unity, Unity desktop, modernized. The beloved Unity interface has been updated with new shell components, bug fixes, and improved integration with Ubuntu. Best for users who miss Ubuntu's Unity era or anyone seeking a unique workflow. Lubuntu features the latest LXQT desktop environment, which is ultra-lightweight, fast, and efficient, enhanced with updated components and improved system tools. It also offers better hardware support, making it an ideal choice for users who prioritize performance and efficiency. Best for users who miss the Unity era of Ubuntu or anyone looking for a unique workflow. Ubuntu Cinnamon. Cinnamon desktop, latest. Familiar, Windows-like, and highly customizable, with better Ubuntu integration and updated Cinnamon tools. Best for users switching from Windows or anyone who wants a classic desktop feel. Ubuntu Kylin features the UK UI desktop, designed specifically for Chinese users. It provides a polished and localized experience, along with updated UK UI components. This edition is best suited for Chinese-speaking users, or anyone interested in exploring alternative user interfaces. Edubuntu. Education focus. Edubuntu combines updated learning tools, classroom management applications, fresh educational content, and enhanced system stability. Perfect for classrooms. It offers an easy setup tailored for schools, teachers, and families. Best for classrooms, teachers, and families seeking a Linux system that is fully prepared for educational use. Shared improvements across all spins. Linux kernel 6.14. Everyone receives the latest kernel, which features enhanced hardware support, improved security, and better performance. Updated toolchains. Includes GCC 14.2, Python 3.113.2, Rust 1.84, and more, catering to developers and advanced users. Improved installer. The installation process has been simplified with easier dual booting, better BitLocker support, and more robust partitioning tools. Gaming enhancements. NVIDIA Dynamic Boost is enabled by default for compatible laptops, along with improved support for Wine Proton and better controller compatibility. Why upgrade? Performance. Faster, smoother, and more secure. Choice. 10 official flavors, there's something for everyone. Cutting edge. Latest kernels, desktops, and developer tools. Community, supported by a passionate global community. Which Ubuntu 25.04 spin are you most excited to try? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please hit that like button, subscribe for more Linux news and reviews, and share this video with your fellow Linux enthusiasts. This is Ton Does Linux and More. Stay plucky, stay puffin', and I'll see you in the next video.